Hi, I'm CJ Johnson, Director of Product and Marketing at Royal Building Products. I'd like to discuss with you a few suggestions to work through the process of selling color and design. Working with a homeowner on color and design choices can be challenging and can often lead to indecision. So how do you work with homeowners to get them over that barrier? Our first recommendation is you reference your ability to assist them through the design process. Direct your potential customer to our design tools so they can experiment within color and design before you even arrive. Email them our color and design guide so they can look at color palettes curated by a designer. Encourage them to get an actual sample of their preferred colors. Then, when you arrive for your meeting, the homeowner is already well down the sales funnel. At that point, you can focus your discussion on the value and trust that your company can bring to the project. Our experience has shown that encouraging a homeowner to play with design options and see real-life color examples goes a long way towards making the sale a reality. Learn more at royalpros.com/salestools.